This segment is sponsored by the ECFO.
Hey, well, it's that time again. Time for Financially Fit Friday with Perry Jeffries III. And not just him, because we got 3 people with us. Because April is Financial Literacy Month, Perry wants to include financial literacy for your kids. So we brought his twin daughters, Micah and Maddie. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Good morning.
Do you realize how cool your dad is?
Yes.
I mean, your dad brings you on television. I mean, not everyone gets to do that, right?
Yeah.
So, Perry, this is really neat. Obviously, you come in every week, you give us great financial advice, but the most important thing, I'm assuming, that you want to share is passing that on, right?
Yeah. And financial literacy, and when does financial literacy start?
Yeah.
So, we've tried to start the girls off understanding money and saving at a very early age, because if we do it at an early age, there's less things we have to correct as they get older.
Wow. So I'm going to put you guys to the test, okay? So, Micah, why should we be saving?
Well, you should be saving because then you can buy things that you need and things that you want.
Really? That's a really good answer. So what should we be saving for, Maddie?
Well, you should be saving for a violin if you want to do violin practice.
That's a great example. Do you like the violin? How come a violin?
Well, I don't have one,
Yeah.
but I would want one.
You see, you've already taught them not just to go to dad and say, Dad, I want a violin.
Yeah.
They know they got to save.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean,
absolutely.
as a father, this has to make you so proud to know that they're getting this financial literacy.
Yeah.
What tips do you have for parents out there that want to and need to teach their kids these?
Well, I would share this. I'll give an example
Yeah.
of a conversation we had one day. So we were leaving the gym one day, and usually when we leave the gym, the girls ask, Daddy, can I get a snack?
Yeah.
So they went up and got their potato chips, and I let them pay for it, and they bring my card back and my receipt. And Micah asked me, said, well, Daddy, how much were the chips?
Yeah.
I said, well, great time to learn how to read a receipt.
Okay.
Right? So she read the receipt, found out the chips were $2. And then she looked at me and she said, oh, they're $2. That's not that much. And I said, huh. Okay.
That's the best response. Huh.
Learning opportunity.
Yeah, exactly.
So then I asked her, I said, well, baby, how much did you get paid for your allowance? She said $2. And how often you get paid? Every 2 weeks. And what all do you have to do? And you could see in her mind, she started to think about, wow, I have to do a lot for these $2 chips. So she started to put them back. And I said, no, Daddy, I'll buy them.
Yeah.
But at least gets them thinking about taking time before you spend your money and realizing, how much time or how much work and effort did you have to put in to be able to purchase that item.
Did the chips taste that much better once you paid for them?
Yes.
Because you knew they were worth a little bit more, right? You were taking them bite by bite and making sure it was taking as long as you can. So you have another cool tip. It's something about like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Breaking that down. Talk about that.
So with purchases,
Yeah.
sometimes we spend very freely, right?
Yeah.
If you just take 30 seconds before a purchase and say, okay, this purchase is $100. Well, if you make, $10 an hour, how many hours did you have to work to be able to afford that item?
That's good.
And then you can calculate in your mind, is that item really worth the time I had to put in to purchase it? So just taking time before every purchase can really help you from a savings standpoint.
That's so good. So people obviously can get their finances planned through you. How can they reach out to you?
Yeah, anytime. They can go to perryjeffries.com.
Yep.
You can schedule a complimentary consultation with us there. And then also, too, you can call us direct at 614-951-9112.
Perfect. I know you're saving up for your violin, but Mike, I have to ask you, is there anything you're saving up for?
Yeah.
What?
I wanted a good guitar.
I play guitar. Okay.
Really?
I'm gonna give you some good advice, okay, on to get a good guitar. Does that sound good? Then we can make a band. You play an instrument, Perry?
Right. I can. I'll sing. I'll think.
Well, he'll sing and we'll make a band, okay?
Do piano. I'll do piano.
High five. Thank you guys so much for coming in studio, Perry. Always a pleasure.
Thank you for having us.
You can learn more about Perry at perryjeffries.com, and we'll be right back.